Good morning, children. We'll solve our question paper today. So let's begin with our reading section first. Children, you all know that whenever we do comprehension, what do I tell you? I always ask you to go through the questions first, and after that, only you should go through the passage. So let's do that. One thing more that I always ask you to do, that is whenever you go through the question, just encircle the keywords of the question. Like the keyword in the first question is, like, what is the first question? First read the question. Which is the world's second largest river? What is the keyword or key phrase? Second largest river. Next question. How important is Amazon River for Amazon forest? It means, what is the keyword, children? Important means in this you have to tell the importance of Amazon River to Amazon rainforest. Next question is, why do very few plants grow in the understory of the rainforest? Again, very few plants grow. This is the thing. In where? Understory means the lowest layer or the lowest floor of rainforest, Amazon rainforest, and you have to tell the reason why. Children, every time you should make yourself trained that you should always know the reason of anything. If you're not knowing any reason of anything, just try to find out the reason of that. Anyways, moving to our next question, why is there very little air movement in the understory? Again, it is the case of understory, but we have to find the answer of very little movement. Why is there very little movement? Then find the word from the passage which means grandchildren. These type of questions you will always have in your home exams, in your board exams, anywhere. These type of questions will always be there in comprehension passages, so be prepared for them always. So just have a spray again on the keyword second largest river. All right, we have to find out importance. Then we have to keep in mind the keyword of why do the plants grow in understory. Whenever we counter the word understory, we have to come back to our questions. Then little air movement, again understory, and the last word is, that is grandchildren. In this question you need to keep in your minds that whenever you find the meaning or you find the word that is nearest to the meaning of the word given here, that word should always be from the passage and not out of that in any case, otherwise you will not be given marks. Let's go through the passage. Read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. This is our passage 1. The Amazon is the world's largest tropical rainforest. It is roughly the size of the continent of Australia and covers an area of nearly 2.8 million square miles. The Amazon rainforest get its life from the majestic Amazon River, which runs through the heart of the region. Amazon is also the second largest river in the world. Now, children, here the answer of the first question lies, and that is generally direct question, so you need not to worry about that. So our first question is solved. What is the second largest river? So Amazon is also the second largest river. But children, while writing the answer, you need not to write also. You just write Amazon is the second largest river in the world. Next, the rainforest is simply the drainage basin for the river and its tributaries. The vast forest consists of four layers, each featuring its own ecosystems and specially adapted plants and animals. The forest floor is the lowest region. Now, children, here our answers may lie, because when we were discussing questions, we found that we were talking about lowest region, or that we call understory. Since only 2% of the sunlight can filter through the top layers of the understory, very few plants grow there. Now, children, let us come back to our question. What was our question? Our question was that why do very few plants grow in the understory of the rainforest. And what was the another question that was related to understory only? This is, why is there very little air movement in the understory? Now let's back to our passage. Here lies our answer. Since only 2% of the sunlight can filter through the top layers of the understory, very few plants grow there. Children, you can write the answer like this also, or if you want to interplace the sentence, you can write like that also. Like, very few plants grow grow in understory because only 2% of the sunlight can filter through the top layers to the understory. This way also you can write. Children, why am I solving these type of questions so thoroughly with you? Just to make you accurate and perfect while doing reading comprehensions. Children, reading comprehension is a very easy source through which you can score good marks, and it at least comprises of 15 marks in your board exams. So you need to cross check every time the answer that you are marking, and if you have a proper strategy, you will end up doing correct answers. Let's move on. The forest floor, however, rich with rotting vegetation and bodies of dead animals which quickly break down and get integrated into the soil as nutrients. Tree roots stick close to these available nutrients, and decomposers such as millipedes and the earthworms use these nutrients for food. Children, as of now, I am not at all explaining you the entire passage because we have time constraint uh, in our videos. That is why. So we are just solving the questions. Next is next passage. The understory is the layer above the forest floor. Much like the forest floor, only about 2 to 5% of the sunlight reaches this shadowy realm. Many of the plants in the understory have large broad leaves to collect as much sunlight as possible. The understory is so thick that there is very little air movement. Children, do you remember the keyword air movement? So here is our next answer. That is, the understory is so thick with these type of large broad leaved plants, so there is very little air movement. As a result, plants rely on insects and animals to pollinate their flowers. Now children, let's back to our question area. First question is done. Which is the world's second largest? Second is done or not? It is still left, children. Next is, this is done. Fourth is done. Now two questions are left. In question second, there was a correlation between Amazon river and Amazon rainforest, and the main connecting word was important. So let's find out in our first. Only in the first para we had a discussion of this. The Amazon rainforest gets its life from the majestic Amazon River, which runs through the heart of the region. Children, this is the answer because this is telling that how important is the majestic Amazon River for Amazon rainforest. Why is it important? Because it gets its entire life from the majestic Amazon River. Children, what do you mean by majestic? Majestic means grand, and this is the meaning. This is the answer of the fifth question also. So in this sentence only we found out our two answers. We'll be meeting in the next video. Till then, bye bye.